Akara can only be made from beans. I beg to disagree. Different routes leads to the market. Hello guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make akara from lentils and prepping akara batter. Without further ado, let's dive in. In this video, I will be using crayfish, seasoning powder, Thai pepper, garlic, onions, sweet peppers, lentils, cooking oil, and salt. I initially washed the lentils about 3 times, soaked it for 1 hour. As you can see, it's soft already. I can break with my fingernails. At this point, I'll pour into the blender with peppers, garlic, and onions. Add water in bits so as not to get a loose consistency. I divided the batter so as to speed up the process. Here you have it. Akara batter is ready. All I do is pour into an airtight freezer bowl, cover and keep in the freezer. In most cases, I store for like a month, 2, but if you ask me, it lasts for a long time when properly kept. You can as well keep it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, provided you use it the following day. lentil cake, locally known as Akara, is ready. So tasty. Why not give this a try at home and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.